Maybe. Wait, how far away is
Here,
he?
you reboot him. You reboot him. I'll head for the mythic or the medallion and stuff.
Do you have 3
Actually,
medkits?
that's way,
I have 3 medkits if you want me
no,
to go
that's
for
way
it.
too far. We're not gonna make it if we go there.
Oh yeah, you're
We're
right.
not gonna make it.
You're right.
Like, cause the storm's already closing in. Plus the fact that it's going to go to a 2-tick instead of 5-tick.
There should be loot over there for you, Jaden.
I'm not going over there.
You probably should for loot.
With the storm.
It's all good. It's only 1 tick. And there's like heals and stuff over there. Plus I have medkits. We should probably wait on Jaden.
Oh man, that dude's good. He hit me well. Oh, he got headshot sniped out the car. You gotta be kidding me.
Well, how did I miss that?
They also have a medallion.
Yep. There's not much I can do, but let's see.
I'm getting a reboot card.
Careful, there may be a Meeseeks on me or on that hill. I had a gold sniper. Fully modded to my life.
Oh shit, you scared me so bad. I'm running away.
Yeah, do that.
My
Yeah,
car might
medallion.
blow up soon.
If I get headshot sniper, that would be epic.
Alright, I'm leaving. I need a heal super bad. I'm getting out of the car, I wanna die. I need a med kit.
16 on 1? Dead?
Storm's coming in. Storm's coming in at a 2-tick.
Yeah, I killed one of the guys who was chasing after us.
Sure,
I'll protect
be
you.
rebooted in storm and die the storm. We'll try. Oh yeah, I'm definitely dead. But
I'm dead.
Nope. I sniped him.
come on, let's go. I can't help. I can't really help. I'm gonna try and.
Nice, come here. Please.
Nice.